Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a young girl named Sadako. She was a happy and lively child, who loved nothing more than running and playing with her friends. One day, while playing outside, Sadako fell ill with a terrible disease. She was told by her doctors that she would not recover, and that she only had a few months to live. Sadako was heartbroken, but she refused to give up hope. She remembered a Japanese legend that said if a person folded 1,000 origami cranes, they would be granted one wish. Determined to beat her illness, Sadako began folding cranes every day. She folded them during her treatments, and even when she was too weak to get out of bed. Her friends and family helped her fold as well, and soon the room was filled with colorful cranes of all shapes and sizes. As Sadako's illness progressed, her wish changed from wanting to be cured, to wishing for peace in the world. She continued to fold cranes, even as her strength waned. In the end, she completed her 1,000th crane, and closed her eyes for the final time. But Sadako's story did not end there. Her friends and family were so inspired by her determination and her wish for peace that they began folding cranes themselves, and spreading her story far and wide. People all over the world began folding cranes in her honor, and her wish for peace was passed on to others. To this day, people still fold origami cranes in memory of Sadako, and her legacy of hope and peace lives on.